Thanks for joining me. I think the dollar could strengthen at the beginning of this week. This is the euro versus the US dollar. We've been trading sideways for a long time. The recent correction held the 23.6% fib. That's encouraging for bulls. But the bounce is struggling at this ascending trend line. We've got intersecting trend lines now, and I don't think we're going to break through those. I think we need a retest of that previous low around the 114.30. 114.00 area should be a good support level. If we break down, we could head to the 112 area, but assuming we hold it, we could bounce back and push through those trend lines. But I don't think that's going to happen for this week. I see risks to the downside for the euro versus the US dollar. Gold has been tricky, stuck in this sideways channel since April. Very difficult to trade, no clear direction. I'm waiting for us to test the boundaries of this channel. I'll try a short position at resistance. I'll try a long position at support, but I'll also be ready to trade the breakout. We're sitting almost in the middle of that range now. So it doesn't look like a breakout is coming in the near term. Silver's also trading sideways with a negative bias, I think, at the beginning of this week. We've had a nice bounce back, but it's stalling. We're starting to turn lower this morning on Monday, and you can see we're not able to break back above these ascending trend lines. We need another correction to the downside before the bulls can start to get control of this market. Finally, cable, pound versus US dollar has been in an uptrend with a correction to the 38.2% fib. Nice bounce off, but the recovery is stalling at this descending trend line here and the 50% fib and the moving averages that I have on the 4-hour chart. So I think there is a good chance that the pound is going to turn lower against the dollar. Again, some dollar strength, maybe a retest of the 130, 140 area and a double bottom. Then we can push up through the trend line. But I don't think we're going to manage to push higher at the beginning of this week. What are your views on the dollar? Do you think it's going to strengthen at the beginning of this week? I'd love to hear your opinions. And if you want to follow my signals, click on the link in the description box. You can read about the service and contact me on WhatsApp. I've got all my contact details below. Good luck if you're trading this week.